Hi everyone, David Lewis. You have got to be kidding me. This statement that I'm going to share with you in about a minute has to be one of the oddest comments from a businessman. So about a year ago, I spoke at a 20 group and I signed up a bunch of the dealerships in the group. And over the last 6 months, these dealerships have all risen to the top of the composite in the 20 group. And about a month ago, I got a call from one of the dealers who said, hey, you need to reach out to this other dealer who's actually dropped to the bottom of the composite. And I called him and we had a great conversation. And he did share with me that, yes, they have declined and yes, they are not reaching the potential they should. And we talked about training and everything that we could provide for them. And then I told him that if he wanted to, for a discounted rate, we would come out for 2 days, do some initial training, because we felt that it was very important that training has to be an event that everybody buys into. The salespeople, the managers, that everyone has to want it, because if they want it, we're going to have better success. And here was his reason for not doing it. His reason was, well, if you come out to my dealership and you do this, then they're going to want it. And then I have to pay for it. And I'm not spending any money right now. I'm not spending any money right now. They're going to want it. Of course they're going to want it because it's going to make them better. And you're not spending any money now because you're not doing well, because you're not doing the things you're supposed to be doing, of which training would get you back on track. You have got to be kidding me. And if you're out there thinking to yourself, well, I would never say that, you'd be surprised, because I hear this all the time. And we wonder why we're not making more money and selling more cars. Good luck, everyone.